Good morning, friends. Thank you for watching my channel and keep watching me and do subscribe my channel. Today's topic is the very major topic of the current scenario because the whole world is facing the problems against this particular thing. Yes, exactly. I'm talking about the mental health of your child, mental health of your family member, anybody. Now, what are the signs and symptoms of the major disorder, or how to identify the person he is suffering from the mental disorders or the suffering from the mental pressure? We just wanted to concentrate on this particular issue. The major disorders are also referred as the clinical depression is one of the very common and the mental disorders worldwide. Every year, more than the 5% of the world population suffers from the this type of episode. It means that the dispersive disorder is nowadays a very common factor in the country or the in the world. This is only because of the various types of the pressures we are facing the issues in the different types of the things. As far as the mental disorder is concerned, so we are going to face depression, negative emotions, and increased stress can lower the body immunity. That's why we are also very exposed to the various types of diseases. The person may get sick more easily with up the various types of infections he may to face, or compelling the I'm not feeling well means that it is the unwell feeling. Now, the very important and the normal behavioral symptoms we need to identify, we need to monitor. The first one is the lashing out others. It means that crying for the no reasons or for a reason the person wouldn't normally find the sad, not find the very appropriate behavior or tragic in the so many things, missing out the major events. Next is the poor performance at the school, maybe in school, maybe at the work, maybe in the normal day-to-day life. In the day-to-day life, we have to closely monitor this particular thing. Forgetting and refusing to participate in the self-care, normally in hygiene routines. Maybe self-harm is the one of the very important parameter. Next is the self-medicating with the drugs and the alcohol. It is a very important parameter. We need to have the very close watch on this particular parameter too. For those with the depression, sometimes the symptoms can be overwhelming, and they will choose escape with drugs and the alcohol, etc. These are the very important parameters. Now the next switch to the next physical symptoms. Physical symptoms means physical changes you need to observe in that particular patient or in the person. Changes in the eating habits, like eating too much or too little, or maybe you can say some people will experience a significant increase or decrease in the weight without active dieting, or increasing their physical activities. Another, if we want to narrate over here, that is the changes in the sleep pattern. It is again the important parameter. Some will sleep too much, and others will have trouble fall asleep or staying asleep, and may develop the insomnia. These are the very basic reasons, fatigue. Despite how much the individual sleeps, people who have depression and oversleep with a disorder is still feeling tired despite how many hours of sleep they get. Slowed movement or speech patterns. Individuals with depression will talk slower or move slower. Sometimes they will experience a brain fog that makes their thoughts not as coherent, and their thoughts may be slowed, random, unexplainable, ashes, and pain, such as muscle tenderness and joint pains. These are called the psychochromatic symptoms in the medical community. This is the very important, and these parameters may hamper your lives and all that. Next parameter we need to discuss over here, symptoms. We are talking about symptoms. So next is under the category of the emotional symptoms. Uh, Pervasive feelings of the sadness, worry, too much worry, guilt or shame, irritability, feeling restless, lack of motivation, hopelessness. These are again the very important parameters if we are talking about the symptoms in the unwellness. These are the various symptoms. Now, what are the treatment options? We want to discuss the various options for the treatment. It is very necessary to go for this particular thing because it is a very major and the very important. We have to save the life of a person. Since major depression has a variety of the signs and symptoms, is dispersive in the many facts, and there is no one cause. Treatment requires the different and the simultaneous forms, talk or behavior therapy, in addition to the medication, is most of the effective treatment method for the depression sufferers. And we need to address this problem very soon because it is very harmful of person. The FDA has issued the warning for this type of issues related to the teenagers and the children's. Some can increase the thoughts of the suicide also for this age group, but it is still the best treatment method for all sufferers, regardless of the age, with a careful monitoring from the family, doctors, and therapists. One can save the many lives to recover from the depression and all. Despite the warnings, there are numerous effective methods available in the market for the various age groups. Talk and behavioral therapy helps the sufferers to monitor their emotions, develop the awareness about the symptoms, and triggers the qualities of the how to handle effectively these particular problems. Very important, we need to have the counseling sessions. Contact your wellness coach very soon for discussing this type of problem. Now, here I just wanted to say about the few common depression symptoms more. Depression is a blanket term for a set of mood disorders that affects at least 16 million peoples, more than 16 million people, I would say, in the world, while Each kind of the depression can express itself uniquely. This problem is may vary with the person to person. We cannot say that this case is same to the similar case. There's so many variation in the symptoms of the depression. Knowing the symptoms can help the some identify if they are a loved one in a currently experiencing depression or a depression types of thing. While depression can be leave someone feeling hopeless, there are several effective medical options. Please do contact your advisor or medical advisor as early as possible if you find something like that. Anger, so much anger, irritability, sleep changes, mental changes, alteration feelings, treatment. You need to go for the treatments and all that. You have to discuss this problem very severely. Otherwise, this mental problem and issues can lead the very major and severe issues like that कि someone is may attempt the suicide and all that is वो बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में कि जान है तो जहान है. We have to save the life. Please keep watching me. Thank you for listening me. We'll come with the next topic of this particular thing very soon.